Hi, third grade students. Today we're going to continue practicing finding area and perimeter, but this time we are going to review how to find an unknown side of a rectangle when given the perimeter or the area. How to find an unknown side length when you know the perimeter. Okay, let's see what to do. Let's look at this rectangle. First, you need to find the unknown side length. Okay. So notice that in this rectangle, they're only giving us the width, which is 4. Okay? So how can you use what you know about perimeter to find the unknown side length? Okay, first, look at the width, which is 4. And since you know that the width is 4, you know that the opposite side is also 4. Why? Because these two sides have the same measurement. Okay? So now we have the two of the sides. We can add them together and we know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then the only thing that I need to do is subtract 8 to the perimeter, which is 20. That means that 20 minus 8 would be 12. But remember that there are two of the side lengths missing, the one on the top and the one on the bottom. That means that this 12, we need to divide it by 2. So let's summarize what we just did. First, we knew that the perimeter was equal to 20, and we knew that the width is 4. So we know that the opposite side is 4 too. Then we added the two sides, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and we subtracted 8 to the perimeter. 20 minus 8 equals 12. We were missing the two other sides, so we needed to divide 12 by 2, and that means that the value of the missing sides is 6 on the top and on the bottom. Easy, right? Now, when you know the area, this is what you need to do. Now, this time, in this rectangle, we have the width is 4 again, and the area is equal to 20 square units. Okay? So how can you use what you know about area to find the unknown side length? First, if you know that the width is 4, to find the unknown side length, you need to divide the area by the side length you know. Okay, so that's easy. To divide the area, what you do is you take 20 and divide it by 4, and that would equal 5. Now you know that a division is an inverse multiplication, which means that 5 times 4 equals 20. And that's how I found that 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Okay? So now I have the unknown side length, which is 5. Now that you know how to find the unknown side when given the area or the perimeter, let's practice. Here we have two rectangles. In this one, we're missing the unknown side, and they're giving us the area, which is 28 square centimeters. In this one, we're missing this side, and they are giving us the perimeter, which equals to 20 centimeter. Okay? So you can pause this video and go and find the unknown sides of these two rectangles. And when you have it, come back and we'll check the answer together, okay? Let's remember that to find the unknown side when given the area, what we need to do is divide the area by the side that we have. And to find the unknown side of this rectangle when given the perimeter, what we need to do is add the two sides we know, subtract it to the perimeter, and divide it by 2. All right? Okay, so let's check how we can do this one when we know that the area equals 28. The only thing that we need to do is divide the area, 28, by the side we have, which is 7. Remember that division is an inverse multiplication. So what I need to do is to find a number that multiplied by 7 would equal 28. Okay? So I know that 7 times 2 equals 14. So I'm not even close yet. So let me go to the next one. 7 times 3 equals 21. And now we're close. So let me go to the next one. 7 times 4 equals 28. So now I know that 28 divided by 7 equals 4. And that would be the value of the side missing, 4. Now, when we know the perimeter, what we need to do is add the sides that we know. If this is 7, we know that the one on the bottom, the side on the bottom, is also 7. So what I need to do is add 7 plus 7, and I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. And now what I need to do is subtract 14 to 20. I'm going to do it on top here, so I can do my subtraction in the vertical form, which is easier. I know that I cannot subtract 4 to 0, so I'm going to borrow 1 from the 2. This becomes a 10, and now I can subtract 10 minus 4, which equals 6. And 1 minus 1 equals 0, so I'm not even going to write it. Okay? So now I know that 20 minus 14 equals 6. Okay? But we have two sides missing. Remember that this time we need to divide 6 by 2. And I know that a number that multiplied by 2 that would give me 6 would be 3, because 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay? So the value of the missing side here is 3. And here is also 3. All right? Was that easy or not? Yes, it was. All right. So now what we need to do, our next assignment, is our independent work, which is going to be what your teachers assign to you on Think Central. Okay? So you're going to go to Think Central. You're going to practice how to find unknown sites when you know the area or when you know the perimeter. Okay? So have a nice practice, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.